friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share this very easy thread art coasters which I created using things available in the house itself. These designs might look a little bit complicated, but trust me, it is fairly easy to make, and you can easily make them and use them on a daily basis, and you can use different colors of thread or different colors of background to give it a unique look. You can use it as a coaster under cups or glasses, or you can use it as a covering for glasses, etc. So let's begin our tutorial. So the first step for making these are take 4 cm radius and draw a circle using a compass. Or you can take any size of circle that you wish, and then take a 15-degree angle using the compass and mark the circumference of the circle using this, so that you will be getting 15 degrees gap between each lines, and complete that throughout the circumference and then cut it off. Once you get the circle shape, all you need to do is give tiny slits on the marks that you have created on the circumference so that you can put the thread through it. For the sake of video, I have numbered all the cuts so that I can tell you from which number to which number you have to take the thread, but you can do this even without numbering the cuts because it is really easy to do once you know how it is to be done. And I am going to use these silk threads which I had. You can use any kind of thread, even the cotton and synthetic thread are okay. So from the 0 mark, the first thing that you have to do is take it to the 11th mark, and then from 1 to 12, 2 to 13, and you have to keep on repeating this till you reach 23 to 10. I have given the numbers which I have taken, and it's really simple. Just do that using the first color of the thread and complete the whole circle to get the first row of design. Just remember that when you reach the 13th number, then you have to put the thread into the 0 mark again and take it up to the 23rd mark. So over here you can see half of the design is done. Now you have to again repeat it and complete it till the whole first row circle is created. Once you complete the first row, just turn back and put a cello tape piece to keep the thread in place, and snip off the extra thread because we'll be using the next color for the further design. If you wish, you can create the full design using the same color also, but using dual color makes it even more attractive. Now again you have to take it from point 0, and the next level will be, you'll be taking it to point 10. And similarly 1 to 11, 2 to 12, you will continue as before. When you are making this thread coaster, make sure that the thread is tight enough. It should not be loose, otherwise slacking will happen and the design won't look attractive. So make sure that the thread is pulled tightly enough and continue this as before. After the second row is done, you can again stick back the thread if you want, or if it is possible, put it directly into the 0 mark and take it to point 9, and then continue from 1 to 10, 2 to 11 like before. And I am using the same pink thread for the third row also, and finish off the third circle also in this manner. And now we are going to create the fourth row. You will be taking it from point 0 to point 8, and then from 1 to 9, 2 to 10, 3 to 11, like so, and finish off the fourth row as before. And finally, now we have reached the fifth and the last row, and we'll be taking the thread from point 0 to 7, 1 to 8, 2 to 9, and we'll finish off the fifth row also in a similar manner. After you finish off the fifth row, turn the coaster around and stick the thread with a piece of sellotape and snip off the extra thread. And this coaster is done. Now we'll have to neaten up the back. You can see the front design is looking so neat. You can adjust the thread a little bit if you want. And finally, the last step is I have cut another piece of round circle of the same radius 4 cm, and that I'm going to stick on the back side so that it becomes neat. Just press it down and leave it to dry off. And I created the other one using a red background and the same method, but I used simply white thread on it. So this is the other one. And to make the coasters more long lasting, just in case you are using it on hot cups of tea and coffee to cover it up, then put a piece of sellotape on the back side so that the full paper area gets covered up. So here I am using thick sheets of sellotape, and 2 sheets are enough to cover up the coaster. As you can see, just stick it and trim off the excess sellotape from all around. And I did this with both the coasters, and now these coasters are ready to cover even a steaming cup of tea or coffee. So this thread art coasters is a really relaxing art, and it's really fun to do. You can use different colors and create some really beautiful patterns. And I hope you like this really easy thread art coasters, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.